is praying in Eidgah Fard. First of all, uh, praying Eid namaz, it's again the matter of disputes among the scholars whether it is fard or not. My understanding is yes, it is fard. Why? Because Rasulullah has said that when you have Eid day, which is the day of Eid, and it is also on Friday. So one of the prayers if you have offered, then you don't have to pray the other prayer, which means suppose if Friday is the day of Eid and you have offered Eid, then you just have to pray Zohar, you don't have to pray Friday prayer. And Friday prayer, we know it is fard. So Eid prayer is fard. This is one thing. Praying in Eidgah, the place where the Eid is offered, definitely that is the correct sunnah. That is the only sunnah that Eid namaz has to be offered in public outside the normal masajid. But since you have asked me this question, our brothers and sisters, may Allah reward them for their good intention and good effort, and Allah accept whatever good they are doing, and Allah forgive them of the haram that they are doing after that. What do I mean by that? In UK we have a system called One Eid system, which means there are people, brothers and sisters, mashallah, get together and they hire the land from the council, borough council, to allow them to pray their Eid prayers. But after the Eid prayers, because these people are, subhanallah, they want to change their lifestyle of Muslim to their own way or new Western style or whatever they like. They have festivals where there will be a mixing of man and woman and so many things. My brothers and sisters, okay, I don't know what is your intention behind that, but it is haram. After the Eid prayer, you people should be going to your houses, going to your relatives, greeting them, meeting them, and mashallah, sharing your happiness. Even those brothers and sisters of yours who are angry or unhappy with you, or they have cut off the relationship with you, this is the right opportunity. Go and meet them and greet them and visit them, like mashallah. But mixing immediately after the Eid prayer, people are going into those festival areas and displeasing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's not from Islam. So may Allah reward those brothers and sisters who have organized this sunnah of praying outside the masajid. But at the same time, they have to be careful that if you have one jar of honey and you just drop one drop of urine in that, one drop, the jar is the honey, the honey with that jar is of useless to you. Same thing, you have a good intention to do Allah's deen and you do something for Allah's deen, and then you immediately after that you mix haram in that, so it's useless. Maybe Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not accept it from you.